Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve banned account on Gmail, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Gmail and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Gmail. Sorry, not here. We'll search about Gmail, and you can uninstall your app. Then you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.